Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. This video I just wanted to talk about 4 things you might be doing wrong. 4 things that might be hindering your progress in your drawings. 4 reasons why you might not be improving. So these are some of the things I've been doing. I used to do in the past when I was when I started drawing myself. So I just want to share those 4 reasons with you, and there are probably more, but I feel like these are the 4 main ones for me, from my experience. So the first thing is rushing through your drawings. Now, when I started out, I used to do this a lot. I used to just rush through my drawings. I wanted to finish my works in a day or two. I just felt I was so excited. When you start drawing, you have that excitement. You want to finish the work so you can see how it looks like and all that. So that was me back then. So most of the time back then, I'll finish a work in a day or a day or 2 days maximum. Then I'll finish my work. But the thing is, when you rush, you make lots of mistakes that you don't even realize till you finish the drawing. And sometimes even when you finish the drawing out of excitement, you still don't even notice those mistakes. So, but when you take your time, you really notice all these mistakes that you make. Well, at least even not all of them, you notice most of them, and it's just better. You just learn more and more from taking your time and noticing all these mistakes. Okay, next time you're not supposed to do this, next time you're not supposed to do that. So rushing is something you should, if you rush, it's something you should stop immediately. Just be patient with it. You can decide to draw for 2 or 3 hours a day, and just leave the drawing. You can just decide to draw for 3 hours a day, leave the drawing, and continue the next day, or continue like after a few hours. You don't have to sit. You can, if you want to. You can sit like for 6 hours and draw in one sitting. But if you feel like you need to take a break, just take your time with the drawing. It's your work. You are supposed to perfect your work. So just take your time with it, and you notice the improvement from there. So the second thing is using bad reference images, using bad reference pictures. Now, I know some people don't have like DSLR cameras to be taking their own reference pictures and all that, but you don't necessarily need a DSLR camera to take pictures of subjects and all that. In case your phone isn't even good enough, right now there are phones that take really high quality pictures. In case your phone isn't good enough, you can have your subjects go to the photo studio, let an actual photographer take the picture for you, or you can get free high resolution pictures online on the internet, where you can just use them for practice. But for your personal works where you want to have your own reference images, if you don't have a camera, you can take your subject, or you can have your subject go to a photo studio and get the picture like that. So if you're using blurry pictures and using all those kind of bad pictures, stop and use good pictures, because when the reference picture is better, you actually enjoy the drawing. You actually enjoy working on the drawing, because you can see all these little details, all these little skin pores and all that. And hyper realist, we all love details and all that. So nobody likes using bad and blurry reference images. So the second thing is use good high quality reference images. Alright, so the third thing is focusing too much on details. Right? Focusing too much on the details in the picture. So what I mean by this is, how when I started, what I used to do is I only cared about the skin pores and wrinkles and all that in the drawing. I wasn't focusing on what was actually important, in my opinion, which is skin tone. Getting the skin tone right, making sure that you get the tonal value right. That's the most important thing, in my opinion, when it comes to realism, achieving realism. Not the details. The details are just like a bonus. Okay, so when you focus too much on the details, and your tonal values are wrong, no matter how much details you can add in your drawing, they will not look as realistic as you want. So that's one thing you guys have to, if you do that, if you focus too much on details, you need to start focusing more on your tonal values. Then after the tonal values, you can start focusing on details, and you see a huge jump in your drawings. If your tonal values are right, you see a huge jump from your drawings, from going back to looking very, very realistic. So the last thing is not practicing enough. Now, I'm sure most of you predicted this, but practicing it applies to everything in life. So if you have a craft, you have a talent, if you have anything, if there's anything you're learning, if you're learning an instrument, if anything you are doing, if you want to really get good at it, whether it's video games, singing, I don't know, anything, if you don't practice, you wouldn't get better. No matter how talented you are, hard work will always beat talent. So even if you feel like you are the most talented person, you still have to be the hardest worker in the room. You still have to put in those hours. Sometimes you might feel like you are stagnant. You might feel like you are not making any progress, but you actually are, just that you can't see with your eyes right now, because you're actually learning from all those. Every single time you practice a drawing, you actually learn something. Even if you think you haven't learned anything, you actually learn something. So it will all pay off as years go by. You start realizing, you start getting things where you thought like you didn't even know how to do it. It just comes naturally. So the more you practice, the better you get. Alright guys, so those are the 4 tips. Those are the 4 reasons your drawings might not be improving. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys learned from the video. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and turn the notification bells on, so if I upload, you don't miss any video. I know I don't upload enough. I'm sorry about that, but I just don't want to upload anything. I need to upload good content. So if you guys have ideas, you can leave it in the comment. I also have a Patreon where I upload my real-time drawing videos, from like 30 minutes to 1 hour long videos. So if you guys want to look at those videos, you can subscribe to my Patreon. There will be a link in the description. Alright guys, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.